I asked him, he said they have a so-called bar.
Hey, be careful with the paint job, bro. All right. Yep.
Eso no tiene...
They already pulled the pin.
No. No!
No, de que estás tirado, La cosa es you must pull it back para que no escuche la válvula, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Hey guys, Rick Bailey here. Last night we had an unfortunate mishap. Guys are taking the car apart right now. We're going to drop it off at Wizard. We're going to get the body off, the motor out, the transmission out. Everything's good. I think when I saw Justin drop out of my window, by the time I looked back up, I was past the stripe, pulled the chute. Might have been a little late. Not sure what happened. Could have tapped the brake a little hard, but it is what it is. We're going to move on, get it fixed, to get ready for the next one. So I'll be in Pro 275 and Outdated, Steele, Alabama, the 17th and 18th. I appreciate everybody's support. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.
Release the pressure of the jack and undo the hose so I can straddle over it. Run over the hose. So anyways, guys, Rick wrecked his car. Everybody's seen it on video. It sucks, but it does happen. The sport we do, it is dangerous. I'm excited to get the car rebuilt for him, but first off, I am happy that he is okay. I was the first one down there. I was in the other lane. I wheelied. Part of me is glad that I didn't make a full pass. He said the same thing because I feel like both of us would have had wrecked cars. But I was able to get down there. I hurried up and hopped out of the car. I tried to get over as quick as I can to make sure he was okay. I've been in a situation like this before. It's not fun, but we can get it fixed. So the guys have been out here since early this morning, getting it all knocked out. We're gonna go ahead and cut the front of the chassis off, pull the motor and transmission. Orly, Rudy, Turbo, and Jesse have knocked out the wiring in the car. They're taking off the wheel tubs. We are gonna knock the body off the car. We're gonna try to get as much we can off the car before we take it over to Wizard Race Cars. I already talked to Jason. He knows it's coming. We're not in a super rush for this build. We're going to let him finish Rick's 66 Nova first, and then we'll slowly start getting this car back together. I've already ordered a 5-star body. We already got people on board to be able to get this car done and back together. So let's go ahead and keep praying for Rick, keep praying for the program, and I promise you, he'll be back together stronger than ever.
Right there. Cut that shit!
Sorry, Rick.
Sorry.
Rick! Scratch the paint.
What paint?
You like running like this. Oh yeah. What? Out. What?
Hold on, Nick. Look, murder.
What's that hung on? Alright.
Alright, you're out. Go up.
Go up.
Up. Go back. Up and down.
Jesse, go get that gold stand. Let's straighten this out a little bit. Training and everything out?
Do you want to?
I would get everything you can out of the car.
Okay.
When we drop it off at the Wizards, it's focused. That's it.
That way we can drop it off and go.
That's what I'm saying. Like that's all. They'll probably redo
I was gonna say that side they might redo it. Hit that bar.
Panels, but oh, he'll have to cut this side.
I was gonna say they might have to cut this side.
Yeah, but they just let Jason make that decision. But the more you get off, the better you are for him.
So probably I would take this shit off.
You can take all this off.
That'll sure be a nice piece in your shot.
All right, come down.
Hey, Jess,
Yeah.
how far along are you guys?
We're pretty much done.
Yeah?
Car can pretty much go in the box.
You guys took everything off already, huh?
Yeah. Everything's off. The car is pretty much bare chassis. You can go in the box and be happy.
All right. Hey, what's up, guys? We woke up early, tore Draco apart, wanted to see exactly how much damage the car really has. It actually looks a lot worse than what it really is. Front half, new set of wheels and a new body, and we'll be back racing again. I know it sounds sounds easier than what it really is, but it's not that bad. We already got it torn apart. Gonna get ready to load it up. We're gonna drop it off at Wizards. They're gonna start getting to work on it. Hopefully we can be back pretty soon.
All right, guys, so we are gonna stay here for one more night. Looks like everybody got the, we're still calling it Draco because like it's all bodied off and everything, or?
It's not going to be the same color. It's not going to be painted.
All right, so are you painting or wrapping it?
We're wrapping.
Okay, my man spent 44 grand on a paint job. Hey, Orly, ask him if he's gonna paint it or wrap it. Look at the wrap job over there. You know how much is in that one? $900.
Hey, I'm gonna let you know what he told me.
$900.
Hey, he told me, he's like, Justin did such an awesome job. I'm gonna let Justin wrap his
I
bitch.
told him if we had some more time, like if we had a week to do a car, I could make it look as good as anybody else's out there. We knocked that out in fucking 7 hours, and we drove all night and got home at 5 a.m. and then worked on it 7 hours. We had to do it. If we had a week, we could wrap a car. And that's what I said. I asked the company, and they said $7 grand. I bought the wrap for $900.
Did you hear that, boss? I heard a sponsorship. He's sponsoring the wrap for Big Draco.
I'll buy the roll.
You do it.
I'll buy the roll.
Are we still going to call it Big Draco?
Oh yeah, you gotta
Of
keep the
course.
name.
I was gonna say everybody
Big
knows
knows the name. You gotta keep the name.
It's
But
Big Draco.
I mean, you can do a purple. They got those purples too, just like that. But it depends. Now's the time if you're gonna change the color. You gotta do it.
Well,
So,
that's why I asked you when we were inside the coach. I was like, what
I don't
color are we
know.
wrapping it?
do you have a bad luck color? I do.
Purple.
Hey, mine is white. Even though I like white, mine's white. Any white race car I've ever owned, total. Prenup, I put that bitch white. When I came out MPK, third race in, done. So it's that white. Even though it looks good, white. So I'll stay away from white. Hate it. But anyways, they got the car all tore down. Tranny's out, motor's out. And now the car can roll around. We're going to head to Wizard Race Cars. Jason already knows that we're coming. We're trying to figure out a game plan on, now looking at it, it doesn't look that bad. So it will be able to get fixed pretty soon. Won't be ready for Swan Fest, but we have the outdated Pro 275 car that we're going to be running. We also have his new Nova that we're going to check out while we're at Wizard Race Cars and try to get that all situated. So we got a lot of stuff coming here to the channel, but it sucks that it happened. But it's part of racing. I tell people all the time, you know, things happen. You just got to learn from it. The good thing about it is he understands what happened, as in why it happened. Next time, just try to prevent it from happening again. So we're going to get out of here. We are going to stay here tonight and do some testing with Survivor. But Draco's getting loaded up in the trailer, and it is heading to Wizard Race Cars tomorrow. All right.